Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Google Pixel 9 and Google Pixel 9 Pro. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box, and if you open it you will find it here at the cover. And the cover is another little box here, just also with the eye here, just release it like this, and yeah, on the other side of the cover you will find a little card, and here we will have the SIM ejection tool. So just release it from here. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you're having the phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. But please take care that you use the hole which one is a part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray there's a microphone. So don't use the microphone, use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take now a SIM ejection tool or the paperclip and enter the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, this SIM tray is able to insert one nano SIM card, and yeah, let's start with it. You need to place it like this so the contacts they are on top. And yeah, this is how it looks like that. As you can see, there's a missing corner here on the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. It only fits like that. And yeah, the contacts, they are on top. Okay, and if you're ready with, just put back the SIM tray into the SIM slot of the phone. Close it well, and yeah, that's it. If you want, you can have also an eSIM here in that phone, so just ask your provider for, and that makes it as well possible to use the phone as a dual SIM phone, by the way. Okay, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.